What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Hedera hash graph and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, link in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So just take a look at HBAR here, and I mean, we can see things looking very good, aren't they? We've basically been trending downwards inside of this channel for God knows how long now. This has been a long time we've been heading downwards inside this channel. Obviously, we got that fake out to the upside off the back of that clean energy pump news, and then massive move to the downside here when we had the crash. And since then, we've basically, you know, I guess you could say we've essentially been doing something like this. Where we've kind of just been moving down in a slightly smaller channel. But I mean, for overall, we've just been moving downwards inside this channel, haven't we? Pretty much, you know, wicking down into these levels and then wicking straight back up from them pretty much every single time. As you can quite clearly see, putting in a decent level of support here, a very good support at around 16 cents. Obviously, for a long time, it looked as though that 20-cent support was going to be very strong. Every time that we touched it, we had a very decent bounce here. But obviously, with the fake out, the back test above it, and then getting dragged down by EMAs on the daily time frame, we've just been trading downwards and downwards for a long time, hadn't we? But you can see quite clearly that once we came up, we basically came down here and reached a critical junction where we were either going to break support or break through this resistance. Started, you know, coiling up into a little descending triangle, you could say, basically something like this. And we did actually break to the upside, considering that we were losing that momentum to the downside that we were seeing. You can see here price actions coming down, but our histogram is actually coming up. So we're actually seeing a lot of bullish divergences on the chart. And obviously you can see we broke out of resistance here. When was this? About basically a week or so ago, wasn't it? With the market starting to get a really nice pump, we basically got above our 20 moving average, broke out of our resistance. We pumped all the way up to the 55. We actually got stuck under this 20-cent level for a little while here, and you know, chopping it up in and around the 55 as well. But obviously got above both of them now, and then we're currently back testing both the support whilst flipping bullish on our EMAs on the daily time frame. Essentially everything looking really bullish for continuation, isn't it? Things looking really good for HBAR right now. It's finally broken out of the channel that it's been in essentially, you know, for God knows how long. And just for argument's sake, I know that this is probably not accurate, but just as a little thought experiment, if this was essentially a massive bull flag, and this was essentially the flagpole here, you could see, obviously this might not be the case, but this could be potentially a huge bull flag on our weekly time frame here. If this was the case and we just measured the flagpole here, what's going on with my line? Why is it not drawing in? There we go. So just for argument's sake, if this was our flagpole, you could see that we could be coming up to, you know, at least some decent price targets here above our all-time high. This is obviously on the logarithmic scale, so obviously the size of this move does get scaled down to the size of this move. But you could see essentially from the breakout point, we could be looking at least coming up to around 60 or so cents for Hedera, which would be, you know, around another all-time high. And as we've been saying for a long time, we do think $5 or $10 for Hedera is very possible, considering, you know, the sheer utility of this token. It's getting a lot of adoption. A lot of the big companies like Google, etc., are all running nodes for this company and looking to adopt it and integrate its technology in various different ways. And if it does start to get a good amount of adoption, it's obviously going to start getting a lot more demand in price, isn't it? And I mean, I think its market cap's around 1 or 2 billion currently. So still very low market cap with a huge amount of potential. Obviously, no signs of a bear market here looking at our weekly time frame. It does look as though we've actually reclaimed our 20 on the daily time frame, weekly time frame here, sorry. Which is very, very bullish. Obviously, we've come back tested the 55 for continuation, and now it looks as though we could potentially be looking at, you know, that next leg up in the bull market, which could see us coming up to some very nice price targets here. Going into the remainder of the bull run, probably looking at, you know, $1, $2, maybe $3 or $5. And then maybe going up towards that $10 mark if we do get that nice blow off top that we're really looking for. So if we just take a quick look at the hourly time frame here just to wrap up, you can see that we have broken clearly out of this resistance now, back tested it nicely, and now we're just grinding our way up. Currently stuck under, you know, these layers of resistance that we've built up here. But, you know, if we do get a nice back test and another pump for Bitcoin, then we could be looking up towards, you know, this 27.5 cent level, we would say would be our next major price target up here if we can break out of these levels. So things looking really good for Hedera. It's pretty obvious when you look at this chart that we are starting to break out of, you know, these big downtrends that we've been in for some time here. And, you know, it looks as though we're on the right road, getting back on track for those price targets we're looking for the remainder of the bull run. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.